Hey, welcome to Rows. In this video, we'll be looking at how you could use third-party APIs with our AI analyst. Let's dive right in. Say in this case, I have a list of domains in column A, and I'd like to enrich it using the company enrich API. The first thing I'm going to do is go ahead and trigger our AI analyst by clicking that button there. And as part of the prompt, ask it to enrich using company enrich API and hit enter. Ideally, the AI analyst should ask you for a little bit more details in terms of the call command, the API key, and I already have that information in our API docs here. So I've already punched in the API key here and also added the domain, in this case, rows.com, and they also provide us with a call command like so. I'm going to go ahead and copy this command here, go back to the analyst, and then just paste that information here and hit enter. Give it a couple more seconds for it to process this information, and there we have it. The analyst just added a new column with the enriched data. You can then go ahead and parse this information. Say in this case, if I just parse in the name here, add value, I can then just go ahead and drag that particular cell all the way down in the column, and there we have it. This is how you could use third-party APIs using our AI analyst inside Rows. I hope this video is helpful, and thanks for watching.